Keeping your home spotless doesn't have to break the bank. The best, least expensive vacuum options deliver powerful suction, easy maneuverability, and reliable performance without the high price. Clean smarter and save more with these budget-friendly choices. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark NV360 Vacuum. The Shark NV360 Vacuum is a powerhouse for home cleaning, offering strong multi-surface suction that easily tackles carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. Its lift-away pod allows you to clean under furniture, on stairs, and above-floor surfaces like upholstery and curtains with ease. Anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a HEPA filter traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Pet owners will appreciate the specialized attachments for effective hair removal, while swivel steering ensures smooth maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. The brush roll shutoff lets you switch seamlessly between carpets and hard floors, and the 0.9 quart dust cup minimizes interruptions during cleaning. This vacuum comes complete with the Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe upright, an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool. Filters are washable under running water and should air dry for 24 hours before reinserting. Compact yet versatile, the Shark NV360 makes home cleaning efficient and convenient, combining high performance with user-friendly features, making it a dependable choice for families, pet owners, and anyone seeking an easy, thorough clean without fuss.
Number 2. KARDV 500-Watt Vacuum. The KARDV 500-watt vacuum delivers impressive suction with its 450-watt motor, reaching up to 40 kPa for efficient dirt, dust, and pet hair removal. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement and convenience for homes without worrying about cords or power outlets. Equipped with a high-capacity removable battery, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on standard mode and 20 to 25 minutes on max mode, enough for most cleaning sessions. The V-shaped anti-tangle floor brush prevents hair buildup, while the LED light and rotatable head make it easier to clean dark or hidden areas. A smart LED display allows you to monitor battery life, suction settings, and brush warnings with simple touch controls. Its fully sealed, multi-layer filtration system captures 99% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier home. Lightweight, versatile, and designed for families with pets, the KARDV 500-watt vacuum combines advanced features with practical usability, making it a reliable choice for everyday cleaning without sacrificing performance.
Number 3. Eureka NEU 181A Vacuum. The Eureka NEU 181A Power Speed Vacuum is lightweight yet powerful, weighing only 10 pounds while delivering strong suction across carpets, hardwood, and tile. Its 960-watt motor ensures consistent cleaning performance, while the ultralight upright design allows easy portability upstairs and around furniture. The extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup reduces interruptions, making longer cleaning sessions more efficient. A 5-height brush roll adjustment allows precise cleaning on different floor surfaces, from thick rugs to bare floors. Pet owners will find the included pet turbo brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush especially useful for hair removal and reaching tight spaces. Designed for ease of use, this vacuum combines onboard tool storage, simple maintenance, and hassle-free operation, making it ideal for busy households. Whether dealing with daily dust, crumbs, or pet hair, the Eureka NEU 181A balances lightweight convenience with performance, providing a reliable, versatile solutions for whole home cleaning. Its combination of power, attachments, and user-friendly features ensures a thorough, efficient, and stress-free cleaning experience for any home.
Number 4. BISSELL CleanView Vacuum. The BISSELL CleanView Vacuum is a lightweight, user-friendly option for everyday cleaning, weighing under 8 pounds while providing strong suction for both hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its scatter-free technology prevents debris from scattering while cleaning, making it highly efficient for homes with children or pets.
The easy empty dirt container allows you to dispose of debris with a simple push, reducing mess and hassle. Beyond its practical design, BISSELL supports pet welfare through the BISSELL Pet Foundation, making every purchase meaningful. Compact and maneuverable, the CleanView moves easily around furniture and into tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for small apartments or homes. Despite its compact size, it delivers reliable performance for everyday dirt, dust, and light pet hair. Perfect for quick cleanups or regular maintenance, this vacuum combines affordability, efficiency, and practicality, making it an ideal pick for households looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight solution without sacrificing essential cleaning power.
Number 5. Dirt Devil Upright Vacuum. The Dirt Devil Upright Vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution offering advanced performance with its Endura filtration system to maintain suction strength throughout use. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it allows for quick cleaning across multiple floor types, including carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Its multi-floor brush roll adapts to different surfaces, while the quick-release extension wand provides extra reach for high areas. The one-touch dirt cup allows easy emptying, reducing interruptions and making maintenance simple. Onboard tools ensure that corners, crevices, and furniture surfaces are cleaned effectively, saving time during full home cleaning sessions. Ideal for households with pets or children, the Dirt Devil vacuum efficiently handles hair, crumbs, and everyday messes. Its compact design, versatile attachments, and easy-to-empty features make it a convenient choice for anyone seeking a reliable, budget-friendly vacuum without compromising on performance or cleaning power. For busy homes, it combines convenience, portability, and efficiency in a single, practical package. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.